In business, it's very hard to find good partners. We've been through it all. Oh man, a roller coaster for sure.
We get along so well that I don't even see it as work, you know, I just see it as being social. I mean, we've literally been together forever.
Our business is called Aroma Concessions. By the way, this is my twin brother, Alberto. So, I mean, we've been together, you know, all our life.
Since the womb.
Since the womb. We're based in Stockton, California, but we serve all of Northern California. So the Bay, the Central Valley, Sacramento, and anything in between. The business, well, we had it offered to us from a friend of ours who was also an ex-boss, because we started selling food at festivals and fairs with him as cashiers, right?
Yeah, very early on.
2016 is when he offered it to us. Prior to that, we started cashiering for him when we were like 12, 13 years old,
About
right?
13, yeah.
Well, I cashiered. Alberto, he never really wanted to do any math. He just wanted to be in the back cooking.
And it's funny because my brother and I, a lot of times we think 99% alike. So there's many times where I don't even have to say anything. He already knows what I'm thinking, or vice versa.
If you're with a family member and me with my twin brother, you know, me blind with my eyes closed, I can trust him with everything.
It's never been hard. It's always just going with the flow.
You know, we're just kind of synced. It's a family thing for sure, but also, you know, work with each other and bring smiles and good food to, you know, the community around us. We got the business offered to us in 2016. We sat down along with my dad at the time, and we purchased the business. Since then, my dad retired when COVID happened, and just me and my brother continued to operate it until now. We put our heads down, we just get it out. We hate to have people eat cold food and wait. So we're just putting our heads down, and it's game day, man. It's go time. So we're just, you know, going through it, making sure everything comes out good, hit that home run and get things going for sure.
And then just make our energy flow, our positive energy flow amongst our employees and our clients and everything. So just try to make a better environment for everybody.
You know, I guess just light up people's faces, huh? What do you
think?
Yeah.
No, I'm with you on that one. We always try to stay in the food business because it's what we know best and what we really like. You know, it has to be something that you love, that you wake up in the morning and you want to go, I'm ready. I don't care if I'm there 12, 13, 14 hours, but you're happy all throughout the day. And just being able to make other people happy with your food, whatever it is that you're offering, but seeing those smiles as soon as they bite that turkey leg is just awesome.
Meeting new people, new places, and you know, that's it, being happy.
I don't know, I mean.
We would say, I got a pair of good energy. I know I'm cheating a little bit, but good energy, memories.
And emotion.
I think good times.
Yep,
good
for
times,
sure.
Yeah. So I think that's what, you know, really drives us, you know, to continue bringing all this good stuff to the community. I mean, who doesn't get happy with food, right? We just love it.